Installing WhatsApp is a simple process that can be done in a few steps on both Android and iPhone devices. Now to begin, open the App Store on your phone. Okay, for Android users, this means accessing the Google Play Store. Now, while iPhone users should go to the Apple Store, in the search bar, you're gonna type WhatsApp and then select the official app, which is usually the first result. Once you've located the app, tap on the install or get button to start the download. The app is gonna automatically download and install it into your device. Now, once the installation is complete, you're gonna see the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or app drawer. All right. Now, on the app, you got to open it first of all, and you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, and WhatsApp is going to send you a verification code via SMS, and input the code, and the app will verify your number. Afterward, you can set up your profile by adding your name and your profile picture. Now, you can start chatting with friends and family either by selecting existing contacts from your phone or manually entering a phone number. WhatsApp also allows you to adjust settings like notifications and privacy options, ensuring a personalized messaging experience.